Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Danrie from Craftofgiving and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video I want to share the coolest idea in how to turn the cheapest white plain shoes into the coolest galaxy shoes in the whole entire universe. First things first, remove the laces from your shoes if you want to keep them nice and white, or you can also color them in if you want to have a nice blended lacy galaxy look. To create that galaxy look, you'll need a black permanent marker, a couple shades of blue, purple, pink, as well as like a greenish bluish tinge one, depending on what look of galaxy you would like to go for. Then basically you're just going to put on your favorite show, some music, whatever you enjoy to listen to while you be creative, and start scribbling all over your shoes. Now the secret to your success in completing this project is rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol allows your ink from your permanent marker to bleed through your material, blending all the colors, creating that most beautiful galaxy look where it's just so seamless, smooth, and just brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Now you can buy rubbing alcohol at any good hardware shop, craft shop, or even a pharmacy. Now in my experience, I found that raggedy, zigzaggy edges rather than straight lines create the most effective look for your galaxy, and then just drenching that in your rubbing alcohol to allow that to bleed in sections, and then just making your way around the shoe and in on the tongue of the shoe, and that created the coolest galaxy look. Allow your shoes to dry for up to an hour. Because of the rubbing alcohol, the shoe will dry pretty quickly. So to take it to the next level, you need to grab some acrylic paint or fabric paint in the color white and start dotting various sized little dots all around your shoe. You can also make star constellations like the Southern Cross. I am from Australia, so I thought that would be fun. And if you're into star signs, you will also see a Sagittarius star sign in one of these two shoes. So if you spot it, let me know where it is and what is your star sign. I am Sagittarius because my birthday is in December. And there you have it. Allow your shoes to dry completely, whether you've used the acrylic paint or fabric paint. Let it sit for a while because you don't want it to smudge and ruin your beautiful galaxy shoes. Go ahead and re-add your laces, whether it's just the plain white ones or you want to do the same with your laces and color it in and let it sort of bleed with the rubbing alcohol, or you can even get one of those light up laces. I would love to get some of those for these shoes just because that would be epic. And that's it. That's an easy, fun way to turn cheap white plain shoes into the coolest shoes ever using some permanent marker, acrylic or fabric paint, and rubbing alcohol. A good afternoon spent to create the coolest shoes that will get everyone talking. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. I thank you for watching. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!